Hi guys, we are at Cutsyke level crossing in Yorkshire. As soon as I get back from talking, so I was talking to my dad about how one of the gates started pushing shut instead of opening. Come on. Closed. Closed and closed. Oh, this one's bouncy this time. Oh, the motor just pushed it back. There we go. Now the time now is 13:27 on the 22nd of December on a Thursday 2016, and this is for your 13:30 for Sierra 15 Freightliner service from Doncaster down Decoy GBRF to Hunterston GBRF. So the crossing's gone off 3 times in like 5 minutes, and then it's actually called Cutsyke Junction, but I keep forgetting to call it that. And if you look over here, this gate is broken. Just like, I know that bit's been knocked, but like, look at this bit, it's broken. I think it's this bit that holds it up, but it's fallen off. Oh, she's coming. Already, this crossing barely shuts for any amount of time at all. It's on like a minute, and then the train comes. Please don't do a turn. Ugh. There's the gate thing, so I can hear it clicking when I open and shut. I just clicked again, I don't know what that was. Unless that was just my cable hitting the fence. 66! I think it's a 66. Yeah, 66. 242. Oh no, 424, I think that was, I don't know. They're breaking the rules because you're meant to only cross on one side, because it said that. And open they go. That gate's pushing shut again. I don't know why it does that. It just pushes shut instead of open. Ignorant. That's open. That one's still shutting. It might go into alarm mode. Oh, there we go. Open they go. Again, it pushes shut for some reason. Thanks guys, next video. At the next crossing, by the way.